Hello you lot, welcome back to my channel. And yes, bit of a change of plan today. Today I'm going to be changing my nuts. As you may see, I've got these ones at the minute, locking wheel nut, but the inners are starting to fail on the locker wheel nut. The front one has pretty much completely failed. It came off when I was tightening it the other day. So for the time being, I've ordered some of these, some black nuts. So yeah, let's get my ones off. Not sure if I'll be able to deal with the front one that's locked. Wheels desperately need a clean again, brake dust and all. It is rather windy, so I'm just going to film one of the wheels and then obviously show the problems I've got with the front one. So let's carry on and get to it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Right, so I've got my tools ready. I've got my wheel socket there, 19mm. I've got the special one for the locking wheel nuts, but as I say, the insides of these are starting to fail, and you'll have to excuse the dirt on my rim. So the front one, I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it, but yeah, I'm just going to show you on the rear one. And if I get stuck with just the one front, I'll order a tool to cut it off. But yeah, let's get my camera set up and get fitting these. There we go. All 5 are off, 4 wheel nuts and 1 locking wheel nut, which, as I said, the interior started to fail on them all. I've not cleaned the wheels, but yeah, I think they look far better in black. Much better. So all I've got to do now is do the other 3 wheels. Now hopefully the other 2 on the other side will be okay. And it's just that one that I may not be able to complete. As I say, one of the wheel nuts has failed inside, so yeah, let's get on and do the others anyway. Well, here we are. Every single wheel nut is done, apart from this one. Now obviously this is actually a socket. What I've done is, if you imagine this is the actual locking wheel nut key, this is perfect, but all 4 of them, well, the other 3 were cracked or slightly rounded. Now what they do is they obviously make the locking wheel nut softer than the key in this case, whereas in previous ones I've had on my other cars, the key's been soft and I've broken 2 keys and had them replaced. But what I've actually done, I've gone and got my old toolbox, which is full of old nuts and bolts and sockets, well, and a brand new drill bit there that I've never used. I've gone through a selection of them and I found one that was the tightest fit, and yes, the hammer was to hammer it over the actual locking wheel nut, so that's actually on really tight. So I'm going to use my normal bar to see if I can just crack the thread and undo it. That's the plan anyway, so yeah, let's give it a go. There we go, all on, all done, all 4 wheels. And yeah, wheels need a clean mind, well, the rear ones do. Whole car needs a clean, to be honest, especially this wheel, it's red. But yeah, suitably impressed with that. Oh, it's a cricket. All of them look brilliant and much improved, I think. Kind of goes along with the black badges. I'm going to redo all these, but that's going to be in a future video even. Yeah, a bit of an odd video. I come out to do my splitter, but as I say, I've got the splitter here. It's just, as I said previously in the other video, where the drive is at the end there and the road is slightly higher, it catches the road as I come in, and that's with the original lip on the car, so that's at that right height. And when I put the lower lip on, yeah, all it's going to do is rip it off, so not too sure what to do at the minute, other than maybe put some, like a little wooden ramp at the bottom or something, don't know. But anyway, as per usual, if you enjoyed watching the video, obviously leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in a future episode.